Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how you can sign up for a Robinhood account. Robinhood is an American financial services company that has commission-free investing and tools to help save future financial. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go in for new tab and searching for a www.robinhood.com and press enter. Here at the official web page of Robinhood, you can see the option of sign up on top right side of your screen. You click on sign up. For the enrollment in the Robinhood, you need to provide the following details. That is, first of all, you need to provide your first name, then last name, email address, then you need to provide a strong password that must contain at least 10 characters. After you provide all the details, you click on continue, where you will be able to register yourself for the Robinhood account. But here you can see currently the Robinhood is not accepting any kinds of application from outside the United States. So if you want to get enrolled in the Robinhood account, you need to be a resident of United States. But the enrollment process is same. All you need to do is you need to fill up the following details, then click on continue. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create a Robinhood account. Thank you.